up, y'all? It's your girl Alicia Lush, and I'm back to y'all with another lit video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, fam. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's going on? Y'all, I'm back to y'all already. Y'all already know it's another lit mukbang. Y'all, today we let me just shut up. Let me go ahead and let y'all know yet. Let's go ahead and do that for anything. Y'all, I got some mussels. Now, these mussels, y'all, I cooked these. Well, I sauteed my onions, garlic, and bell pepper in butter. I did that first, and then I dumped the mussels in there with all its natural juices and sauteed it on top of the stove real good. So yeah, that's how I cook my mussels right here. And then I got my 2 pieces of fried chicken on the side, yeah. Because I was like, these mussels ain't gonna fill your girl up, you know? I'm gonna need a little more. So that's why I did that, y'all. But yeah, y'all, so I got this. Your girl already washed her hands and all the things to the things, and it's time to dig in because I'm hungry. But y'all, I never send my grace. I always forget to send my grace, so let's go ahead and do that, okay? Okay, y'all. Time to eat. You already know I got my bag over here because I got little shells and stuff for the mussels. But I can actually keep my shells on top of the plate because it's for it's mussels. You know, it's got its own little area. But anyways, let's dig in. Oh, y'all, look at these mussels. Let me show y'all, honey. Oh, this one got 2 in there. Let me get some of the veggies on there for y'all. Oh, yes. Hold on, y'all. Look at this. Oh. Can y'all see? Oh, it's dripping, y'all. It's dripping. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Y'all. Mmm. 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 Ooh. Mmm. Can y'all see? Mmm. Y'all. These mussels so good. I did that. Hold on, y'all. Let me get like a little spoon because I need to be able to grab this juice, baby. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Oh. Yes, honey, because I need to be able to get this juice in the shell. You feel your girl? You feel your girl, okay? Just like that. Oh. Mmm. 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 So good. Mmm. 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 Oh, shoot. Look at this one, y'all. Oh, look at this on the spoon. Let me eat off the spoon. Eat off the spoon this time. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yeah. That's a good way to do it, y'all. Eat off the spoon. That one got a little shell on it. A little baby mussel. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Y'all, that broth? It's the broth. Got the onions. Let me show y'all. See that? I'm gonna put it right on there like that. Put it in there. Mmm. Ah. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. It's so good. Can't help but keep moaning because this is so good. It tastes so good. I ain't even put no Florida seasoning on here or nothing like. Oh shit! Damn it! Trying to fly out my hand. Mmm. Mmm. I ain't put no Florida seasoning or nothing on it like that, y'all. Like the pack seasoning. I ain't do none of that. Y'all already know. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. I can't stop with these mussels. Oh shoot, we got a good one right here, y'all. Look at this. There you go. Put the juice on that thing like that, Mm. 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 One more. Then we're gonna use some chicken. Yeah, feel you, girl. You feel you, girl. But how y'all doing today? Ooh. Hope y'all doing good. Mm. Mm. I still ain't forgot about it. Story time, y'all. Don't worry about it. I got y'all. Wait. Okay. Because I'm looking for my ranch. I got my ranch right here. It's the off-brand kind, but it's okay. It still be tasting good. But it still be good. Don't even come figure out, because, honey, it tastes just as good as the Hidden Valley Ranch. I get that kind too, but baby, we ain't doing all that today. So, oh yes, honey. Put that ranch on that thing, baby, just like that. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. Gotta have a ranch. Mmm. Put that to the side. Mmm. 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 The bank head bounce. So good. I don't got no hot sauce. Oh shit. Mad about that. Mmm. Ooh. That juice. Mmm. That's gonna be good. That juice, look y'all. Look y'all. That chicken, that juice. Mmm. Mmm. No lie, y'all. No lie. That shit was busting just then. Like a heart piece. Tell y'all no lie. Take a bite. Take a bite. Oh. Uh-oh. Focus. Focus. Camera wanna mess up. Mmm. 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 Want some Zephyr Hills? I already know. Oh. Y'all. Piece of crust. That. It's the vegetables that's inside. So let me show y'all up close. Let me show y'all up close and personal. Because I didn't show y'all this plate up close and personal, baby. Y'all need to see. Y'all see? The goodness. Hold on, wait. You don't even look that good no more. This girl been all up and through it. But it's so good. Say you know that, baby. So what I'm gonna do now, y'all, is put some mussels. I'm gonna pick some off of him and put them on my lettuce and make a lettuce wrap. So, but how y'all doing today? I know I don't ask y'all that, but how y'all doing today? Like, hope y'all day went good. Hope y'all day going good. Like, hope all is well with y'all. Excuse me. So, and then we got a few veggies we're gonna put on that thing. Okay. Can y'all see the that thing? Ooh, there you go. Ooh, there you go. Okay, yes. Roll that thing up. Roll it up. Roll it up. Roll it up. Roll it up like a... I already know. Just like that. Just like that. I taste the juice for it even hit me back on my throat. Got a little shell. That's so good. Look at this one, y'all. Look at that one, y'all. Ah, shoot. Woo! Child, your girl getting full. Baby, listen. Whoo. Your girl's getting full, baby. But like I told y'all earlier, I did not forget about story time, okay? I'm reading a novel, so I'll be able to tell y'all about it. You know? But yeah. Valentine's Day coming up, y'all. Is y'all ready for Valentine's Day? My eyelash got stuck right there. I was wondering why I was opening slow. Damn eyelash glue. I'm over like boop, boop. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Okay. But yeah, y'all. Valentine's Day coming up. What y'all doing? Was y'all doing something special Valentine's Day? Y'all got something planned? Like, what's the play? What's the play? Okay? I know y'all going out, like, what, dinner, a movie? What? Yes, honey. But y'all, I'm ready for Valentine's Day. You already know. Oh, did I cut my thumb? I could cut, feel like it is a little bit, but I don't see nothing. Excuse me. Squeeze your girl, squeeze your girl. Okay. It's natural, baby. Look at that. Oh, did I show y'all close? Can y'all see it, baby? My nails in the way, baby. Hold on. Get the clouds out the way. Oh, yes. Ooh. So good. Y'all done ate most of these mussels. Oh, shit. Juice falling. And that one's empty. Empty. Girl, I fucked these mussels up, honey. That's why I knew. I was like, let me get a piece of chicken. Because, baby, I knew. Ain't no little bit of mussels gonna fill your girl up. Wish I brush my teeth after this, baby, because I see. Feel like stuff in my teeth. Look at that, y'all. Put some juice on top of that thing. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Got that garlic, that bell pepper. Ooh. Ooh. That garlic, it's the garlic. It must be addictive. Like, you eat one, you can't stop eating them. But y'all, your girl ain't got nothing going on. Just at the house chilling. I don't know I'm having no time about. Nothing to talk about. Got nothing to talk about. That's why I'm gonna start doing these story times for y'all. So one more. Ooh, shit. That garlic is strong, baby. That garlic. The chopped up garlic that I chopped up. My big ass earring in the way. That's right, girl. Love big earrings. I don't want nothing but big loops, but yeah, that chopped up garlic be real strong. It be real strong. Y'all. Woo. Y'all. I got lettuce all up and out. So y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know. Ooh. I feel that lettuce and stuff settling already in your stomach, just like going down real smooth. Especially when you drink that water behind it, it's the truth. But anyways, y'all already know what time it is. This is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was just a little quick little something, you know what I'm saying? Not nothing too much. You know, your girl is full, baby. I can't eat this last piece of chicken, honey. But nonetheless, y'all. Oh, huh. That's the thing about having good nails. You can get shit out your teeth and shit. But, because I ain't got no toothpicks, so fuck it. But, yeah, these come in handy. You already know. Long nail girls who are long nails, you already know. But, yeah, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video because I will get to talking and running my mouth. But let me go ahead and get myself cleaned up and take a shower and do the things of the things. Y'all already know. So make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, thanks for coming over and watching your girl. Support your girl and hit that subscribe button, baby. Hit that little bell notification too so you can be notified each and every time your girl posts another video. And hey to my already subscribers. What's up, fam? Love y'all, miss y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Peace.